Welcome back to Teleris, and I am about to take you on another journey of cybersecurity knowledge. So get ready to ride with me. Imagine standing in a courtroom, every eye on you. You're trying to explain your side of the story, choosing your words with painstaking care, hoping to be understood, to be believed. But there's another witness in that room. A witness you can't see, but one that has been with you through everything. It knows your deepest secrets, your quietest thoughts, your every movement, and your hidden habits. It has no emotions, no biases, no memory lapses, and it never, ever forgets. And the most chilling part? It's probably in your pocket right now. I'm talking about your smartphone. This isn't just theory or something you see in movies. This is the stark reality playing out in courtrooms across the globe every single day. We are going to embark on a journey to uncover just how much your device truly knows about you, the exact methods law enforcement and lawyers use to access this sensitive information, and why having a clear understanding of this reality is not just important, but absolutely critical for every single one of us living in this digital age. When we first think about the data on our phones, most of us picture the basics. Who we called, what texts we sent. Let's dig into the expansive types of data that are proving to be invaluable, even decisive, for investigators and attorneys. First, your entire communication history. This goes far beyond just your phone's call logs, showing who you called, when, and for how long, and your standard SMS text messages. This category includes every word, every emoji, every photo, and every video sent or received through popular messaging apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, Snapchat, Instagram DMs, even dating app chats, and workplace communication tools like Slack or Teams. A deleted conversation might still be pieceable together by experts, revealing intentions, plans, and relationships. Second, your precise location data. Your phone is, without a doubt, your most constant and accurate personal GPS tracker. It meticulously records where you are right now, every place you visited, and exactly how long you lingered there. This highly granular data is collected from multiple sources. The phone's built-in GPS, every Wi-Fi network it connects to, even if you don't use it, for internet. Nearby cellular towers that triangulate your position, and even the specific apps you use that request location access. Third, your photos and videos and their hidden storytellers, metadata. Every single picture and video you capture, store, or receive on your phone holds a wealth of information beyond just the visual content itself. Each one often comes embedded with metadata. That's technical information about the data. See the description box below to see our video for metadata, where we go in-depth into what your phone metadata can do. This metadata can undeniably place you at a scene, prove when an event occurred, show crucial evidence, reveal connections between people, or even indicate if an image has been edited or altered. It's like a secret digital fingerprint attached to every visual file. Fourth, your entire online search and browse history. Everything you look up online, every website you visit, every article you read, and every video you watch is meticulously logged. This treasure trove of data reveals your interests, your intentions, and what you were researching. It can show premeditation, if you searched for how to commit a crime, curiosity about an incident, or even your state of mind around a particular event. Fifth, your app usage data, your digital habits. The specific applications you use, how often you open them, and what actions you take within them are all recorded. Did you open a banking app at a suspicious time? A dating app right before or after an event? A ride-sharing app? A specific news app? This detailed app usage data paints a vivid picture of your daily routines, your financial life, your social interactions, and your specific interests. It can show patterns of behavior that are highly relevant to a case. The sixth, rest on your health and fitness data. Many modern smartphones, smartwatches, and fitness trackers are constantly collecting intimate details about your physical being, your steps taken, heart rate, sleep patterns, workout routines, calories burned, and even female health tracking. While typically used for personal well-being, this data could be used in court to verify claims of injury, disprove claims of disability, or establish your physical activity level at a specific time. Imagine claiming a severe injury, but your fitness tracker shows you ran 5 miles that day. The seventh one is your financial and shopping app data. Every transaction made through mobile banking apps, payment apps like PayPal or Venmo, and online shopping apps like Amazon or eBay. This data reveals your spending habits, where and when you make purchases, and what you buy. This can be crucial in financial disputes, fraud investigations, or to track the purchase of specific items that might be evidence in a criminal case. Another one is your cloud data, the extension of your phone. It's not just what's physically on your phone. Most of us back up our devices to cloud services like iCloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These cloud accounts often contain copies of your messages, photos, videos, contacts, app data, and even full device backups. If your phone is connected to these services, investigators can often obtain warrants or subpoenas for your cloud data as well, giving them access to information even if it's no longer on your physical device. It's a digital mirror of your phone, stored on someone else's server. And finally, deleted data, the ghost in the machine. This is one of the most misunderstood aspects of digital evidence. When you press delete on a message, a photo, or an entire app, that information is rarely, if ever, truly gone forever. It's usually just marked as available to be overwritten by new data. Digital forensic experts use specialized techniques, often called data carving, to recover these seemingly erased files. This means that incriminating text you thought you wiped or that photo you regretted sending could very likely still be hiding on your device, waiting to be brought back to life. Think about it. This isn't just about what you knowingly put on your phone. It's about what your phone saw you do, where it knew you were, what you thought about looking up, your digital friendships, your health, your spending, and even your old deleted secrets. It builds an incredibly comprehensive digital story of your life, piece by tiny, inerasable piece. Now that we've established the incredible amount of data lurking on your phone, the crucial next step is understanding how law enforcement agencies and legal teams actually get their hands on it. It's not a simple hack or a casual request. There are specific legal pathways and highly technical procedures involved. There are primarily three main legal keys they use to unlock your digital life. Still stick with me as I worked you through it. Number 1 is the search warrant. This is the most common and powerful legal instrument. For a warrant to be issued, law enforcement must convince a judge that they have what's called probable cause, a reasonable belief based on facts that your phone contains evidence directly related to a crime. If the judge agrees, they issue a warrant, which gives police the unquestionable legal authority to seize your phone and perform a thorough forensic examination. This is not something they can do lightly. It requires a neutral judge's approval. The second, the subpoena. This legal order is often used in civil cases, think divorces, business disputes, or personal injury claims, but can also be used in criminal proceedings. A subpoena demands that you, or a third party like your phone company or a social media platform, produce specific documents, data, or testify. For example, a lawyer might subpoena your phone carrier for historical call records or text message logs, or directly subpoena you to provide your device for examination. While it doesn't always involve police seizing your phone directly, refusing to comply with a valid subpoena can lead to serious legal penalties. The third is consent. This is the simplest and often the most overlooked method. Law enforcement might simply ask for your permission to search your phone. If you willingly give consent, they don't need a warrant or a subpoena. This is precisely why understanding your rights is absolutely vital. You always have the constitutional right to refuse a search of your phone without a valid warrant. Giving consent, even under pressure, can waive away significant legal protections. Once legal access is granted, the actual process of getting the data is highly specialized. They don't just scroll through your apps. They employ advanced methods of digital forensics to extract every possible piece of data from your device. This process involves seizure and preservation. The device is carefully taken and immediately secured. It's placed in a special bag, a Faraday bag, to stop it from connecting to any networks, preventing remote wiping or further data changes. Every step of handling the device is meticulously documented to maintain a clear chain of custody, proving that the evidence has not been tampered with. Acquisition. This is the actual data extraction. There are different levels. Logical acquisition. This grabs accessible data from the device's file system, like contacts, call logs, text messages, photos, and app data that the operating system readily provides. It's like getting a clean copy of what you see on your phone. File system acquisition. A deeper dive, often requiring more technical bypasses, to get access to areas of the file system not normally accessible, including deleted files that are still resident. Physical acquisition. This is the most comprehensive. It creates a bit-by-bit exact copy, a forensic image, of the entire device memory, including operating system files, hidden files, and deeply embedded deleted data. It's like taking a perfect snapshot of every single piece of information on the phone's memory chip. This often involves specialized hardware and software to bypass locks or even physically remove memory chips in extreme cases. Analysis. After acquiring the data, forensic experts use powerful software tools, like those from companies such as Cellebrite or Magnet Forensics, to sift through vast amounts of information. They analyze call logs, text messages, app usage, browse history, and extract that crucial metadata. They look for patterns, keywords, timelines, and connections. They can recover fragmented files, piece together deleted conversations, and even reconstruct events based on the device's activity logs. Finally, all findings are documented in a detailed forensic report, often presented in court by a digital forensics expert witness. This report explains the methods used, the data found, and its relevance to the case. So, it's not a casual look, it's a deep, systematic, and often incredibly technical investigation into the very core of your digital existence, all backed by legal authority and handled with strict protocols. To truly understand the undeniable power of your phone's data in a legal setting, let's explore some hypothetical, real-world scenarios on how this can play out. These aren't just hypothetical tales. These are daily occurrences in courtrooms around the globe, where phones are making or breaking cases. Let's start with criminal cases. Murder investigation. In a high-profile murder trial, the suspect claimed they were in a different city, miles away from the crime scene, at the time of the incident. However, their phones meticulously recorded location data, drawn from its GPS, connections to Wi-Fi networks in the vicinity of the crime, and triangulation from cell towers, precisely placed them within feet of the location during the critical time window. This undeniable digital alibi shattered their defense. Drug trafficking. In another instance, a drug trafficking ring was busted when police forensically recovered deleted encrypted messages between gang members from their seized phones. These messages, believed to be permanently gone, detailed distribution plans, money transfers, and coded language, providing the missing links that led to numerous arrests and convictions. Cyberstalking harassment. Phone data is crucial here. Recovered abusive texts, call logs showing relentless contact, and social media direct messages, even from fake accounts linked to the suspect's device, can be used to prove patterns of harassment and identify the perpetrator. Then there are civil cases. These disputes might not involve handcuffs, but the stakes can be just as high. Personal injury lawsuit, defamation or slander, intellectual property theft. And in family law, which can be incredibly emotionally charged, phone data plays a deeply personal role. Divorce and infidelity, child custody disputes. Even in seemingly minor cases like traffic accidents, phone data can be pivotal. A driver claims innocence in a collision, but their phone records show a rapid succession of text messages sent and received moments before impact, proving distracted driving. Location data from their phone could also confirm speeding or erratic movements leading up to the crash. The legal system, which moves slower than technology, is now rapidly catching up. It is increasingly relying on this digital evidence because of its comprehensiveness, its precision, and, often, its undeniable truth. It builds a case that's almost impossible to dispute when properly collected and presented. This information can feel a bit overwhelming, I know, but please don't feel powerless. The key here is not to be fearful, but to be empowered with knowledge. While no system can offer 100% absolute foolproof protection, especially if your device is legally seized, there are highly effective, proactive steps you can take to significantly manage your digital footprint and strengthen your personal privacy. Tip 1. Become a permission pro, your digital gatekeeper. Immediately turn off permissions for anything that doesn't genuinely need them to work. This is like carefully deciding exactly who gets a key to your house and what specific rooms they're allowed to enter. Tip 2. Master your location settings. You have granular control over how and when your phone tracks your whereabouts. For most apps, adjust location permissions to allow only while using app or ask next time. Also, consider turning off precise location for apps that only need your general area, not your exact street address. Tip 3. Be mindful of every digital action and understand deletion realities. Host. This requires a fundamental shift in mindset. Think before you post, text, email, or send anything. Assume that anything you put on your phone or share online could potentially be seen by others, including lawyers or investigators. Tip 4. Use a password, and not just any password, but a strong password. And turn on two-factor authentication, 2FA, for all your important accounts: email, social media, banking. It adds an extra layer of security, making it much harder for someone to gain access even if they manage to get your password. Tip 5. Practice regular digital hygiene. Periodically review your old accounts and delete any you no longer use. Unsubscribe from unnecessary email lists. Delete old, unnecessary apps from your phone, especially those you haven't used in months or years. These old apps can become security risks or store forgotten data. It's like cleaning out your digital closet. Get rid of the clutter that could expose you. Tip 6. Consider advanced cybersecurity solutions. At T-Laris, we offer cutting-edge tools and deep expertise specifically designed to proactively protect your most valuable digital assets. Whether they're on your phone, in your cloud, or across your network, we combine advanced AI with cybersecurity expertise to defend your organization against evolving threats while reducing operational overhead. Our AI agents work tirelessly, like an army of digital sentinels, watching for threats, identifying unusual activity, and stopping breaches before they can cause damage. Thank you for watching. If this video has helped you gain a new perspective, please give it a resounding thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crucial insights. Stay informed, stay proactively protected, and we'll see you very soon in the next insightful video.